Hello guys and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In today's video, I will be showing you how to join Bigo Live Families. So once you have opened up the Bigo Live app, you want to tap on Me, and then you want to tap on Family. After tapping on Family, uh, as you can see here, uh, here you can see the list of families available. Uh, they are sorted by how good they are. So as you can see here, the top 1 prime challenger 3, that's the number 1 family. You want to join families that are good because they would help you improve in streaming on Bigo Live. So in order to do that, just find the family that you want to join. So for example, I'm going to join Prime V. You want to tap on plus join, and now it says applying. They would check your application after pressing the join button. If they decide that they want you, you would be automatically accepted, but if they don't, you wouldn't be accepted, and you have to look for other families to join. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe.